Hello my friends, I just got the cab corner from a junkyard and I just wanna maybe start on this one. It's nice. Original, the dealer had it like, he didn't have it on stock and it was like double the price, and I think this one is even thicker than the one at the dealer. I see like at least on Ford. I don't know for sure about this one, but now I have to skin this one off from the spot ones and just weld it back on my truck. So now I'm gonna drill the spot welds and I wanna remove this skin as nice as possible because it looks very nice. Let's go. Welcome to the vlog. This is Krisha.
What's up?
What a nice present. Man, to find this. Sweet candies. This is the damage on this side. I'm gonna try to remove this skin. And just fit the other one. damage. The wreck didn't affect this structural side, so it's perfect. Turns out I got the wrong part. That's for Dinelli. And I was thinking every cabin is the same, even like for Silverado and stuff, but it's different, so I guess I'll get one from the dealer. Yeah, I'll put it on marketplace. I hope I'm gonna sell it. So I paid $600 to save $600, so now it's gonna be more expensive with $600, so that's life. Hello my friends, today I'm just gonna replace this door with a new one. Just put it here, install it here, because I got the skin from the dealer. I got the new skin. So this one should fit, not like the other one. So I left the hinges on the truck side, and the gaps, they look very good here, just without adjusting. Because now I put the door just so when I try the skin on, to see the gaps and check everything. So I do have to adjust it a little bit, but only like on this side. From the bottom side to come out a little bit. Like the gaps, everything looks better. Now I just want to cut the uniside, this metal, the skin of the corner cab, and try to see how it fits. So now I can adjust the gaps. Now everything should be better. make a clean cut, 16 inches approximately. So now I'm just gonna cut this one with the grinder, with the metal blade. I'm just gonna make a clean cut using this tape. So I cleaned everything. I put well through primer. And now I'm just gonna put these plates underneath the seam. I'm just gonna put well through primer on these two. This skin I just sprayed another coat of black paint just so I know it's like more paint, just to be safer, a peace of mind. So